Hi guys, it's Kelly. I'm here doing my empty house tour, so come along and join me as I go in. Just gonna switch you guys around. Alright, so here we come into the house. I love the new house smell. So we went with all white walls, white trim. Right here, we just have a nice big 14-foot long empty wall. We're gonna do, maybe some chairs, a console table, mirror, some nice stuff. I was thinking about painting, not sure just yet. And when you come over here, we have our closet here. I do have a few things in here right now. Just some hangers. I was building some things. I have a light fixture that is going to go right there. I don't know if you can see that. All right, yeah. We've got a light fixture. We found one after we just didn't go with the builder grade stuff. And then here we have our dining room. We did add the trim around the outside of the wall. That was an upgrade. And then we added trim to all the windows downstairs. So this is what's going to be the dining room. We did do recessed lights. We haven't bought a light for there. We'll buy one soon. Have those nice do a black table in there. A nice buffet. That was my appearance. I'm just going to add the spindles. There we go. Okay, so we come in and we have our living space. We're gonna put our TV up there. We bought a console for there. We have 3 nice big windows and a pretty cool, it is a more Scandinavian style ceiling fan. We have some recessed lighting. And then here is one of my favorites. It's our kitchen. We went with obviously white cabinets. Love them. Black hardware. It's gonna stay for now until I find something I really, really, really loved. And then we went with this really cool drift, like ashy brown wood for the island. I absolutely love it. We got these little chairs. I couldn't find what I was looking for, but I think they blend pretty good, and I can get 4 of them for under the island from Target. Super cheap, only $60 each. You can't beat that. We did go with laminate countertops. We do plan on upgrading them. We just don't know if we want to do it now or later. If we do it later, we're definitely getting rid of this sink and that faucet because I don't like it at all. We didn't get our refrigerator yet. We did order the white matte cafe refrigerator. I am in love with it. I did black handles to match all the black on the pulls. And these 2 boxes are our light fixtures, pendant lights that are gonna go up there. Pretty cool. They were really nice. I found them off of a website from the Red Door elevator lady. She always has the greatest ideas. We did do microwave down here, gas range, and we have a refrigerator. We did some drawers, which I absolutely love for pots and pans. These are amazing. They're so deep and big. We bought these chairs and a new table. So these chairs were from Amazon. Super inexpensive. They're not wood, they are metal, but you can't tell from here. And if you hear something, they're doing my garage door outside right now. But we have a huge wall here. I have some drapes from Pottery Barn and IKEA, so whichever one wins is going. And I'm gonna do some nice woven shades. Doing curtains on this. We do have a little patio back here. We don't have our grass yet, so that's nice right there. And we're gonna do the same on these windows as well. But that's the view from front door all around. Kitchen. I absolutely love this space. You know, everything always feels bigger than it looks kind of on camera. And then this is our mud hallway right here. So we have our garage door. He's out there, so I'm not gonna open it. And then right here, we're gonna get a hall tree. I have somebody making me one. I found them on Facebook. And then here is our mud hallway coat closet. Nice closet. Put all the kids' book bags, our coats, all the stinky shoes. So, and then here is the guest hallway. So we have a guest bath here. Got a couple things in here because we have little kids, so you know they have to go potty. We're going to be changing out the hardware. I've already bought new pools. I'm going to get a new faucet. This one isn't bad. It's just not what I want right now. I'm going to keep it. Maybe I'll like it later, but I absolutely love these LED lights. I have a nice black mirror from CB2 I bought, and then we did the white tile all the way to the ceiling in a stacked pattern with a winter gray grout. It looks black, but it is winter gray. And then one day we'll change these fixtures out for black. And we also do have a nice coat closet, or not coat closet, but linen closet in here. Nice. All right. And then here is the guest room, which we will be using as an office. I am going to change this light fixture soon. I don't know when exactly, but this is going to be my husband in my office. He's still working from home, so he'll be in here. And a closet as well. All right. So let's head upstairs. I love this kitchen. Just love it. So we have the switchback stairs. So this is our family loft area. We're gonna put a couch on this wall, couch over here, some nice drapes or curtains, and we have an IKEA Busta unit for this wall and our TV. Excuse me, my allergies are like crazy right now, but we're gonna put a corner desk over here and some toys. But this is what it looks like upstairs. I love this stark contrast between the espresso stain on the half dry wall and the white. I just love it. Okay. This is my daughter's room. She picked out this cute fan. I love it. Has a gold rim on top. I don't know if you can see that, but she loves it. She wants me to do board and batten on this wall. She's gonna put her bed here, dresser on this wall. We have some curtain rods here, and out here we have a little balcony. She's not allowed to go on it, but it's there. All right, and then we go around this way. We have the kids' half bath, or excuse me, full bath, 2 sinks. We did some drawers for the girls' hair things. I think we're gonna change out the knobs. I bought some on Amazon. And I might change this floor. We have some floor from our old house that we probably are gonna put in here. We didn't do tile in the kids' bath only because they don't like to clean, and I'm not trying to clean their grouted tub, you know, all the time. So we just did the bath fitter kind of thing here. Everybody gets a shelf. You have 3 kids and a toilet, so they're excited that they have double sinks now. And then this is the youngest room. It's the smallest room. She's gonna get a bunk bed here. And we're putting a dresser on this wall, some cute curtains, and her bookshelf is gonna go here if we have space for it. Otherwise it's gonna go on this wall over here. But we have her closet in here. And we have Some shelving things here. Everybody has shelving in their walk-in closet. I forgot to show you my oldest room. It just looks just like that. And then we have the linen closet. No frills, wire shelves in all of our closets. Something that I do want to do an upgrade for the later date. Washer and dryer. Ours are actually on their way. They should be here in about an hour. Nothing special in here. We didn't add a window. Kind of wish we did, but I'm okay with not having a window in here. We did do wire shelves, which we plan on changing. I was thinking of buying them at either IKEA, Lowe's, or Home Depot. You know, they have them pretty inexpensive, and putting a shelf in there as well. And then this is our son's room. His fan is actually on back order still, so we're still waiting for it. He has the second largest kid room, still a front view, and his closet. He has the shelving unit as well. This is a mirror for his new dresser, and he gets a little window in his, so nice. All right, and now it's one of my favorite rooms we're coming up on, our room. We didn't do anything special in it, but I love our bathroom. So our room, it's kind of inset in the wall, like all of the other rooms are, you know, level with the wall, and ours has kind of a cove feel. Not really cove, but it's reset into the wall. Did a fan. We did some recessed lighting. Our bed is gonna go in between these lights, where we just bought a king size bed. Chest of drawers here. Flip around this way. We're gonna put my long dresser here and a mirror and a TV right there. So, you know, nice windows. We can lay in the bed and look out and enjoy the trees blowing in the wind and whatnot. And this is my favorite room. We have our master bathroom. I absolutely love this room. I love how I chose these light fixtures, the sconces like this. Just love, 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 love it. However, I don't know where my brain was when I picked out these pulls, because I'm not a silver girl, and I don't know why I picked them. I just think I picked them because this was standard and I knew I could change it cheaper than buying it with the builder. So I've already ordered one, a black handle with a back plate from CB2, and I like it a lot. So I might change those to that, but they're kind of pricey. So I might just do, you know, one set at a time. Hopefully they won't sell out of them or anything. But I absolutely love these. They are called black chrome. You can see the color. It's more like a smoky gray to me than black. In the picture when we ordered them, they looked very black, but they don't in person, and I just was like, whatever, I'll keep them. But we ordered some black mirrors for here, and they actually are arched, so I kind of want to give it a little bit of architectural detail. I just love this porcelain Carrera marble tile. I'll let you see. So it doesn't have really blacks in it, it's more grays and golds. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, I know it's not real, but I just love it. And we have a window in here. I really like that. And then our shower. Oh, I love this shower. We have a seat, and the tile goes all the way to the ceiling. And I just love the clear glass door. It's just so pretty. I just absolutely love everything about this. So we were supposed to get a different door. Our door was supposed to have black down the center. However, somehow the handle for that door was on back order, so they had to upgrade us to this, and voila, I love it. Now for our bathroom, we are going to have the plumber come out and change these silver to black because it just costs too much for the builder to do it. It's cheaper to do it after the fact. And then there's the water closet, which is one of my favorite parts of this bathroom. Now we can have 2 people using the restroom and not have to worry about smells, but you know. So last but not least is our, oh, actually it's not last, but our closet. We just got wire in here. I priced out several different companies, Container Store, Designed by Closets by Design, the builder who they use, and IKEA. So you know who won. IKEA packs. Nothing compares to their price. It's just the least expensive. So these wire racks are actually going to be moved to the the garage for extra storage. But the pack system is going to go in here. Quite nice. But we do have one more space. We have a basement in our house. So let's just run down there really quickly. I'm going to turn out some lights. But yeah, I'm going to do a gallery wall there. Don't you think that would be cute? Some kind of gallery wall or something. Something's got to go there. All right. Oh, in the basement is this door right here. It's not finished, but it has a lot of space. We have a little sconce here and the switchback stairs. We will get these carpeted. I should have just got it done, but I forgot. So on the walls, we have insulation. We live in Ohio, it gets cold. So they give us insulation on the walls, which is nice because we're going to finish this basement. Here we have our sump pump and backup battery for that. And this space, we will have a bathroom once we get that finished. And over here is a cute little area. Right now it just has some extra materials. I was going to do one of those little houses, so I'm going to buy some drywall this, put some carpet in here, and make a little play place for my daughter. Because this, I mean, she's the only one that can fit in there. She's 4 and little. But we have, you know, the regular block windows. Our house is on a slant, so our backyard of our basement is not underground, which is awesome. So we have a nice big window here. This window is not functioning, doesn't open, but these windows definitely do. There's 3 of them, which is nice. We can get some air down here once we, you know, finish it. I cannot reach them. They're very tall, but they're nice. We have all our mechanicals down here, and then it keeps going to back here. And back here, we're going to just do some storage kind of solutions for Christmas decorations and whatnot. But, you know, so we'll go back up real quick. Oh, I didn't show you the pantry. Snow frills, but sorry about the echo. You know, we don't have hardly anything in here. But we do have a pantry. It's right here. I already have a few things in here. So we've been cleaning a little bit. Just wire racks. So stay with me because I'm going to change this. I don't want these wire racks. I don't. You know how it is. So I just am so happy that you guys came and watched. Stay around for more. I do plan on doing more videos, decorating. I love to decorate. I love modern, Scandinavian, boho, traditional. I mix them all up. So stay with me and I'll be back for more. Like, subscribe, ask questions, give recommendations. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.